Did you know the @ symbol wasn't originally invented for email? It dates back to medieval scribes who used it as a shorthand for at the rate of. Fast forward to 1971. When Ray Tomlinson was tasked with connecting computers through a network called ARPANET. He needed a way to separate the user's name from the host machine and realized the @ symbol wasn't commonly used in programming or usernames. It was perfect. That one little symbol revolutionized how we communicate, marking the birth of modern email. So next time you send an email, thank the humble @ for its versatility.